Hey, hey, hey! I'm going to the Canary Islands for a month. The first destination is Lanzarote, then Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria, La Palma. The main destination is El Hierro. I'm not going to La Gomera because there are no direct flights or ferries from La Gomera to El Hierro. And the flight back is from Tenerife. Do you want to come with me? Yeah? Let's go then. We are in Arrecife. It's very quiet here. It's my lucky day. Finding organic eggs here is like finding a needle in a haystack. For real. Probably grain fed, but who cares? This is Puerto del Carmen. Wanted to check out the beach. It's pretty cool. I bought all of the eggs they had. We are gonna try to go up there. Interesting. A castle in the middle of nowhere. Must be cool here at night. All of these weird sounds. Quite a few buildings here are run down. As you can see, there's only the wall left, or that one. We are going to the Saturday market in Arrecife, and later we are heading to Playa Blanca because we are going to Fuerteventura with the ferry. Cool. The broken dreams of Arrecife. I'm in the capital, Puerto del Rosario. It doesn't look as run down as Arrecife, but we'll see. There's a police station right across. Awesome. My first oysters from here.
Also ich kann noch was holen. Jetzt sind beide da. Warte. Guck in die Kamera, oder? Wir können ruhig mehrere machen. Ja, mache ich auch. Aber ich
This is the Oasis Park.
When they grow. Y por otra parte están Poli y Rocky, nuestras iguanas verdes. Toman el nombre de iguanas verdes porque cuando son pequeñas, pero un poquito pequeñas. Y ahora nos gustaría pasar a presentarles a una serpiente from marsupio, where they carry babies for the first months of their life. ¡Un fuerte aplauso! ¡Muchas gracias! ¡Hasta la próxima! ¡Bye, bye!
6-hour ferry ride to Gran Canaria. Shoot me.
At last.
Candy. More candy. Whoa. That's a lot of fruit.
I'm looking for this butchery called Carnicarias Pedro Martinez. It's supposed to be one of the best in Gran Canaria. Somewhere on this street. There we go. I'm not sure about the quality, but I got some steaks, ground meat, and eggs. Gotta make some tartare. A bit sick of eating fish all the time. Mercado Central. The steak I bought is actually really good. At last, some meat. What up? I'm going to meet a subscriber. He lives here in Gran Canaria. Where are we now?
We are in Arugas.
Okay.
You have a spine in your lip.
No way.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, you have.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bastante ruido aquí.
This is Mas Palomas.
Shorty hit my flip phones and call it yeah, yo. Say you want this, you can't give them yeah, yo. Flying with the pretty dogs, yeah, yo. Smoking on the KO, she slanging yeah, yo. Hanging out the sunroof, white like yeah, yo. Yeah, the high school pump, white like yeah, yo. Shorty try to rap for a dance, said no. Still shorty dance, do it right like yeah, yo.
Dass es so viel früher kommt.
This is the market hall in Santa Cruz de la Palma.
Dead body. I'm doing a solo trip. It's 5 kilometers from here. There's a rainbow. Okay. Who ate it? Oh, I see. Hopefully I won't end up like the guy from 127 hours. It's not even funny. But I'll watch out. It's slippery because of the rain. This is beautiful. Black metal as hell. Greg from California, you would like it here. There's an actual path down there. Alright. There was a forest fire here. That's why the trees are black. I'm in between hills right now. Probably halfway. The clouds are right there. Walking here really doesn't seem safe because of the cracks. The first sign I see. I would guess it's close to 0 degrees up here. I'm not complaining. I'm literally walking in the clouds. What is really weird is that my playlist is put on shuffle, but for the last 20 minutes it's only playing black metal. I've never had that before. Coincidence? I've been walking for around 2 hours now, and the last hour has been uphill. Alright, this is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. Awesome. It took me a bit over 2 hours. So worth it. It's like being in Latvia. I walked from here approximately to here over the hills. The forest here is great. I saw what I wanted to see. I'm gonna head back now. It's going to get dark in 5 hours, so I'll definitely make it back to the bus. I'm back down, everything's cool. I'll show you the apartment we are staying at. That's the living room. I'll show you more in a second. The kitchen, obviously. The bar. The balcony. The first bathroom. A bedroom that we don't use. Another bedroom. The second bathroom. And the bedroom that we do use. Voila. I'm flying from La Palma to Tenerife North and then to El Hierro later. There's an air conditioner here, but I like doing it the old-fashioned way, and I generally like making fires. It gets cool at night because this house is in the hills. You can clearly see that the sun is right there because of the rays. There's no question about it. Come, let's walk through the woods of El Hierro. This island has the most wonderful forest I've ever seen in my whole life. Look at this tree. The sky is blue, the sun on my soft skin. I feel the wind. El Hierro, awaken my soul.
Let me show you the house we are staying at. I like it.
Adios, El Hierro. Good old Tenerife. Look at the fucking chem clouds here. It's as bad as in Berlin.
Alright everyone, it's time to review all of the islands. It will be hard to rank them, but I'll try. Right now I'm in San Isidro, Tenerife. I've been on this island 3 times already. Firstly, let's talk about the weather. On the bigger islands, Lanzarote, Fuerteventura, Gran Canaria and Tenerife, there's a lot of chem clouds because they are closer to mainland Africa and Europe. These are target areas because there's a lot of tourists. If you come here to get sunlight, you may get unlucky. A lot of people go to Mas Palomas, the south of Gran Canaria, or Los Cristianos, the south of Tenerife. If you go to the north of any of the islands, then the weather will never be guaranteed. But if you go to the south of La Gomera, La Palma or El Hierro, then there will always be natural weather, blue skies or natural clouds, but no chemicals in the sky, so it's always beautiful to look at. I saw 2 small chem clouds in the middle of El Hierro, so it's hardly worth mentioning. This is why I'm not out right now sunbathing. There's no clouds in the sky, but it's still all white because of the chemicals. Secondly, let's talk about the food. It's mostly imported. The food on the Canary Islands is terrible, except for El Hierro, because they have their own meat. They have grass there, which the cows and sheep can eat. On the other islands, they hardly have a choice. The south of Fuerteventura has a little bit of green. La Palma could have more of it. La Gomera also, and they do, but they don't sell it to most people. These are private farms. You could go to them and ask, but you won't find this in a butchery, for example. They could also have their own eggs, but they import. The plants, if that's what you're into, you could find some organically grown fruit or vegetables. Go to farmers markets. And the worst part is that they even import the fish, even though these are islands by the ocean. So they could sell wild caught fish in all of the stores, but they don't. The nature on El Hierro is so wonderful, and also on La Palma and the others of course also, but because the weather is more natural on the smaller islands, those are definitely the best ones. And every gym on El Hierro is free, gratis. I'm going to rank El Hierro as the first one, there's no question about that. The next one will be La Gomera, then La Palma, then Fuerteventura because it's quite special. After that, Gran Canaria, Tenerife and Lanzarote, which is not very special. I wouldn't even recommend going there. And I like Tenerife, but there's problems. I saw this in the shop. I'm pretty sure that these are the razor clams that Milchar was eating at a protest. I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to eat them. It's still alive. Salty because of the water, obviously. Tastes fine. Not too special. Worth trying out. But oysters are way better than this.
Back in Berlin. Thanks for watching, everyone.